I want to welcome you back to Black Site. Tonight we're going to talk about a Detroit bus driver, Jason Hargrove, who complained about a woman getting on his bus, coughing, not putting her hand over her mouth or her arm. 4 days later, he succumbed to the coronavirus COVID-19. This is an important message that all Americans should listen to. And what he said during this video on Facebook as soon as he got off from work.
In her late 50s, early 60s, to stand on the fucking bus and cough 4 and 5 times without covering up your mouth. And you know we in the midst of a motherfucking crisis with this coronavirus. I am pissed the off. I feel violated. I blame that woman who stood on this fucking bus and coughed. It's her fault. It's people like her who don't take shit for real why this shit is still existing and still spreading. So, to those who watching, I'm just letting you know, this is real, and y'all need to take this serious.
We got American people out here not taking it serious. We had college students going on spring break. We had college students going on spring break. We also had people walking around in parks in New York City. We had people playing basketball in New York City. We had people who are walking around ignoring safe spaces and distances and whatever the hell they want to call it. They're not heeding the warning. And I hope this video helps people understand that this is extremely serious. This is nothing to be played with. This man lost his life 4 days later. Not 1, 4 days later. We have another man in New York who was 30 and healthy, played baseball. No longer here. We have to pay attention to what's going on. This has to stop. We have to listen to the advice of Dr. Fauci and Dr. Bricks. This is a sad story. I want to thank you for listening to Black Site, this quick take. Hope you subscribe to this channel, smash that like button, and share this video.